Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Lenovo USI Pen, and the channel is JS Techie. Alright guys, so going right into it, this is the USI Pen. The USI is a protocol that a lot of Chromebooks use. This pen is battery operated, so you do need a AAA battery. It does come with one if you buy it through Lenovo. There's also an HP USI Pen. I think most Chromebooks that have styluses, it's USI Pen, except for maybe the Samsung ones. I think those might be their S Pen technology or Wacom, whatever they use. But anyways, about this pen, it has 4,096 levels of pressure, which is pretty good. That's about all you really need. And Chromebooks aren't particularly designed for drawing, but from me just briefly using it, this is actually not a bad pen at all. Lag is there, yeah, but it's not terrible, like not really bad. I also did try out the Chrome canvas. It's very basic. Basically, you get 5 tools and you can just change the size. It's like a pencil, a pen, a marker, and then charcoal and an eraser. So I mean, it's not the most varied, but it is free, and it's, you know, it's good for doodles and note taking and stuff like that. Let's see, I have tried IBIS Pro X, I've tried Autodesk Sketchbook and Metabang, and they all work really well on the tablet. Nothing crazy that I've noticed so far, but enough rambling. I'm about to show you for yourself, so you can see for yourself how good this pen is. And you know, the one thing is, for some reason this came separate from the tablet, so that's why the review is coming out later. I would have done an unboxing, but literally it was just a bland box with this pen, a brief like user's guide, not even really user's guide, that's giving it too much credit, and then a warranty information. So it would have been very boring, and I just wanted to test this a little bit before we went over to the Chromebook and kind of saw what it was about. So let's do that. All right guys, before we get into the terrible drawing I did, if you are liking what I'm doing on my channel, just please slap that like button. I really appreciate it. And let's get on with the rest of the review. All right guys, so this is a little awkward for me. Hopefully you guys appreciate the increase in camera quality. I have the Lenovo Duet in tablet mode. Got the USI Pen right here. I don't know how well you can see it. This is the Google Canvas, the Chrome Canvas, and I'm just gonna kind of show you what it looks like. So these lines aren't pretty bad, you know, they're not bad. Slow lines, you know, this is basically what you get. You get a pen, a pencil. Pressure sensitivity does exist for this app apparently. It's just not very noticeable at all. And here's the chalk and the eraser. So basically this is all you really get with this app. Very simple, but I do think, I mean, it does have layers, so you can add a new layer. Oh, maybe, there we go. Hide this layer. So I mean, you do get layers. You know, it's extremely basic. You don't get much. You get some opacity settings, a size of, you know, the line, and then you get color settings. Oh, hold on, there we go. And you can do custom colors. Okay, there we go. It just took a second. Yeah, so I mean, that's cool. It's basic. It's extremely basic. But I'm not an artist, guys, but I will just kind of do a quick, let me find a good image that I kind of want to draw here. All right, so like I said, I'm not an artist at all, and this is actually really awkward position for me because I'm actually sitting behind the camera, behind the microphone and I don't have the best view. So actually, palm rejection is pretty good. Yeah. So from what I've seen, palm rejection is pretty good. So we'll just do. I'm just gonna kind of just roughly sketch. I'm using an image for reference, but I mean you do get zoom features. Yeah, not an artist, so bear with me, guys. It'll be pretty rough. This is terrible. By far the worst drawing I've ever done. But I am not a digital artist at all. It's terrible, but you know what? I think for how quickly I'm doing this, you know, it's not bad. It's at least recognizable. I can't believe I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. All right. Anyways, enough of this. That's Google Canvas or Chrome Canvas, whatever. We got Autodesk here, and what I'm gonna do, let's add a layer. I'll just blind that one out. I will actually try to draw something. So I think this one has. I think this has the screen record, so maybe I'll use that instead. But that's gonna be it. Hold on, I'll just kind of show you. Actually, let's do some. We'll do some handwriting things. So. There's a little bit of a lag with this app, but you know, it kind of works. Is exactly how I write in real life, sort of. Yeah, I don't know. I like stuff like this. So I did used to have a drawing tablet. I used to have the XP Pen Artist 15, and I ended up having to sell it because I just, you know, couldn't justify keeping it. I didn't use it enough. I didn't have time. But now that I'm actually, you know, doing a lot more, I'm not going to finish what I was going to write. Anyways, so, you know, this works. This will be fine for taking notes. Just, okay, all right, enough messing around. I'm gonna do a drawing. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what that looks like, and I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so I will have the time lapse of the drawing I did playing in the background. So about this little pen, I think it'll work well for the price. I think it's pretty solid. Just my opinion. I am not by any means a digital artist at all, so maybe drawing was really not something I should demonstrate to you guys, but you can do it. And you know, I do think I got a little bit more confident as I was going. I did have some palm rejection issues, but that could just be my inexperience, and I'm left-handed, which a lot of apps don't really accommodate for, like all of this stuff. I was constantly changing my my tool from like pen to airbrush, and that's kind of annoying, but that's more of an app issue, not the pen. And you know, most tablets with touchscreens will have some palm rejection issues where you'll have to go in and like erase your smudges or whatever. But yeah, you know, I am pretty happy, and I do plan to keep using this thing. Maybe not an Autodesk sketchbook. Maybe I'll swap over to like Metabang or IBIS paint or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll swap it up and try to see if I can, you know, mess around with canvas some more. But anyways, this pen retails for like $37, and I think it's a pretty decent buy if you've got, you know, a Chromebook or something that supports the USI Protocol. You'll have to do your own research for your own products. I will not be able to tell you if your Chromebook or whatever supports that protocol. You'll have to do that yourself. Sorry. But, you know, it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. I'm happy with it for sure. So I give this thing a buy. I do fully think you should purchase this product. I think it's only sold on Lenovo's website right now. So, I mean, you can go and buy anything from them and I won't get paid for it. But, you know, I do think if you have something like this and, you know, you're an artist or you need to take notes, that will definitely step up your game. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think of the changes I've made to the camera and everything. Have a great day. Bye.